Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I want to show you how to fix a leak on a Dodge Journey 2013. So this one, what happened is I turned it on, I started driving and then started overheating right away. I came back home, I put some water, I noticed that there was no water. So I put some water and it started coming out from back here. So there's a pipe here, I already disconnected it, that goes to one of these, same like this, and it goes, it's for the water heater, and it goes here. It's same thing, but it's a different pipe, and it goes to that one. Okay, so I removed the whole thing. I took it out from there, I removed it from there. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks like. We're gonna try to replace it. I'm gonna see if I can find it in the in AutoZone. If I cannot find it in the AutoZone, then I'll go to the hardware store and see if I can find something similar to this. Okay, this is plastic. It's, you know, eventually it might break like it did with mine, so it looks like it's not the best quality. So let me show you guys how. There's Tobia. So this is what I got. See, this goes to the pipe here, this goes to another pipe right there, and this comes from the car. So that would be this one. So make sure you guys clean the inside of these pipes, these hoses. You know, just grab a screwdriver, make sure it's all clean. Now we're gonna head to AutoZone and see if we can find the parts for this. So this would be the part we need. I saw that this whole kit, it's sold on eBay. They sell you the whole new kit, so it comes with already this installed here. But I just don't want to wait that long, you know. I'm in Hawaii and it takes quite a while for stuff to get here. So we'll see what we can find at the store. Just want to show you really quick how to clean these pipes. So what we need to clean is the inside of these pipes right there. So what I do, I move this clamp here, and then I make sure I can press on this hose like that. Okay, like that. And then what that will do, it'll break all the plastic in there, and then you'll be able to remove all plastic inside. Okay, it's not the best. Right there. So you do this with with all the pipes here. I did it with this one, super clean. I did it with this one too. Also make sure you do it with this, make sure you clean it really good. You know, if that doesn't work, just grab your screwdriver and get in there really good. Okay guys, we're back from the store. I went to AutoZone and they don't have the part in stock. So I did find it on eBay, but I chose to go to the hardware store and try to see what I can find. So and I found these. These are couplings for pipes, for like water pipes. And I bought some of this glue. So I'm just gonna put everything together. I'm gonna put this T with some couplings there. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it has this glue. and then we're gonna put it in the car. Okay, I think this is gonna work out better than this part. It just seems really cheap for me. The quality is not so great, so I think this is gonna work out a lot better. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller, but it should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna put it together and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold it there and show you guys how to put this together. Okay, we got one, making a mess here, so I'm gonna put something on the floor. I don't want this to spill too much. Okay, so one there, and then for the top hose, it's like a thicker one, so what I want to do is put one of these and then put one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one. It's already removed. We have to remove this ring here. Okay, so let's put some glue. Okay. Okay, like that, and then we want to put this there. Like that. Okay. So this would be for this one, the top. Okay, guys. Then we're gonna put this one. I only spent like 14 bucks with all this. Okay, so we got this like that, and then you guys want to put this one here, so we're gonna put some more glue. Okay, so we got this like that, and then this one's gonna go on the top. You guys probably want to remove this one, this ring, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Okay guys, so we got this part here. Get one of these, and then once you put the clamp on, I mean, you guys want to remove this one. Okay, so you put this clamp. This one is a this size is a number 12 clamp. Okay, and then this is gonna go like this. This hose is gonna face that way, and then this one, we have this one. It's gonna go, let's see if I can show you better, like that. Okay, it's gonna go into the engine, so we have to put this one like that. You want to put this clamp back here, so just grab your pliers. Okay, and then you put this on. So let's see, guys. Okay, see, like this. Yeah, may just put it on there for now. Just put it there, and then you're gonna put this hose into this pipe here. Okay, so we got something like that, and then you put your clamp. Let's see. Okay, should be okay. Okay, see? And then we have to put the small one here. Okay. So again, I'm gonna put this. Sometimes you want to use some oil here, some lubricant, so it goes all the way in. That's what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, so we're back here again. We got this part custom made, it's custom built. So we got a clamp, we got some teeth, we got some couplings, some connectors. So I'm gonna put this back there. It's gonna go there, and it has to hook up to this pipe, and then it has to hook up to the one that comes from the engine. It's gonna be right there. Okay, so I'm gonna install it and then I'm gonna get back with you guys. Okay guys, so I just finished installing this pipe. Everything looks good. It looks like my garden's hose, but you know, I think it's gonna do the job. It might actually be better than the original part. So I have it hooked up over here. Make sure you guys put the clamp back in there. Let's put that one how it's supposed to go. Let's see. Perfect. There we go. Hopefully it stays in there. It will. And then it's already clamped on this side. Maybe I'm gonna move it back a little bit more. Almost. Come on, stay there. Should be fine. Let's move it back a little bit more. Okay, let's just make sure you put some water. I already put some water here. And we're gonna turn the car on now. Okay. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. Alright, so we're back in business, guys. Since it overheated, it got this check engine light on. I'm just gonna reset it by taking the negative terminal off the battery. I'm gonna leave it unplugged for a while and then hopefully it doesn't come on again. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna take it for a test drive right now, and hopefully the temperature stays normal, and it doesn't leak any coolant again. So okay, if I have more issues with this, I'll keep you guys updated, but for now that's how I fix my the coolant pipe. It's the heater hose. So I couldn't find the part on AutoZone, so I pretty much made my own. I hope you guys, I hope this helped you guys fixing your own car. You know, just that you guys know you don't have to take the car to the mechanic for everything. You guys can always find all this on YouTube. That's why I'm here doing this video, so that you guys can see it. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, and see you on the next.